In this video, I'll show you how to change your calorie goal on Myfitnesspal. First, open the Myfitnesspal app. Tap More or Menu, depending on your device. Now tap Goals. This is where Myfitnesspal keeps your nutrition and fitness targets. Look for calories, carbs, protein, and fat goals. Tap that option. You should now see your daily calorie goal. Tap the calories number. Now enter the new calorie goal you want to use. For example, you might change it to 1,800 calories, 2,000 calories, or whatever target you are following. After entering your new goal, save the changes. Depending on your device, you may need to tap the check mark, save, or done. Now go back to your diary. Your daily calorie goal should now update to the new number. If it does not change straight away, close the app and open it again. You can also go back into goals and check that the new calorie target was saved. Just remember, changing your calorie goal will normally update your diary from today going forward. It should not change your older diary entries.